My name's Amy Parkinson. I'm an assistant geotechnical engineer and I came to work for Mouchel in 2007 when I moved from a ground investigation contractor into a consultancy role. I came to work for Mouchel because I applied to lots of different companies, but when I came to Mouchel and had the interview and I met some of the staff, it was just definitely this was the place I wanted to be and where I wanted to work. My line manager, one of the things he looks for in an interview is not just people's academic qualifications. You can have somebody who's brilliant academically, but he looks for people that will fit with the people who already work here. I'm an assistant geotechnical engineer. We do a lot of basically anything that you're building that involves affecting the ground. You need your geotechnical engineers to do designs for the groundworks. So if you're building gantries or something, we do a lot of foundation designs, a lot of ground investigations before people go to site, so we know what's out there. We can design the foundations appropriately so the gantries don't fall over on the motorways. One of the big schemes we're working on is the M1 managed motorway schemes for the Highways Agency. It's using technology and gantries to try and maximise the existing road structure without having to put any widening in, extra lanes, taking up more land. The staff at Mouchel are really supportive. Everyone's encouraged to learn new things. Everyone's very friendly, very open and sharing. If there's something that you don't know and perhaps somebody in our team doesn't know about, somebody will always know somebody else to go and ask about it. When I first came, I have to admit my intention was to stay for about 3 years and then move on to another company. But once I got here and it got to that 3-year mark, I've found that I still really enjoy my job. I really like the people I worked with and I couldn't see myself moving on to another company. There's still so much to learn and there's so much information that people have here that I can't see I'd get a better deal anywhere else. I think this is a good place for a graduate to come and work. We've got a few new graduates in our team who've recently started, and I know there's a lot of talk about advertising for new jobs. At the moment there's an awful lot of work about and a lot of different sorts of schemes to work on. There's a lot of experience to be gained from being here. Mouchel's got a very clear career path laid out. They've done a lot of work on the role descriptions and the way forward through it. And it's very clear about how you can move your career forward, and they're very supportive about that. They're keen to encourage you to move on and to get the extra knowledge you need for things.